Much love, everybody. Just back here with another little update. I wanted to update you on this day coming up tomorrow. You can see it's the 322nd day of the year. 322 is the skull and bones number, and there's also 43 days left in the year, which is the 14th prime number. And I was showing you in the last video, end equals 14. Skull and bones and this end number are pretty interesting. And then if we take a look at Bitcoin here, trading today is the 17th, and it was trading. It hit it didn't hit 17k, but it could still pop up here to this resistance at 17k today. On with tomorrow being 71 and 17 date numerology as well. Today's the 17th. Lots of these 17s around the 7th prime number, which we just had Shemitah happen, which ended at the end of September, and that happens every 7 years. Every 7 years, some kind of financial collapse or reset or something happens. So wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin comes up here to the 1700 area, maybe even the 17.2 areas. You can see this liquidity candle here on the 1 hour chart, and that wouldn't be weird at all because Bitcoin equals 72 is spelled it wrong, but there you go, 72. And then you can also see this 117. Market crash, same thing, 117. Interesting, I just see this 18 here now, and that's tomorrow as well. But going back to this 117, if I take you to that day on the chart, you can see it was basically your last day to get out of the market. Here's the 5th, Astro World Day. The Houston Astros win the World Series. In Houston, just like Astro World happened the year before in Houston Astros, yeah. It's all perfect. But right here, Monday the 7th was basically your last day to kind of get out, and then after that the eclipse the next day took us down another 24%. And if you look from the top, that we're down 27% on this eclipse, and market crash also has a 72. Bitcoin 72, market crash 72, and then tomorrow is the day of Venus on Friday, and it's also the 18th, so it's even stronger Venus energy here, and you can also see this 27 in there. So basically a lot of these little connections I'm seeing today. Just wanted to kind of update you. You can see the NASDAQ is trading at 117, which is kind of funny. The DXY hit 107 today. Yeah. Solana was just at, what was Solana at today? Solana was just at 14 bucks yesterday. Yeah, well, so we'll see. Maybe this goes up to 14 as well and then comes back down. But just taking a look at the DXY here quickly. The dollar goes down, crypto goes up, dollar goes up, crypto goes down mostly. And you can see here on the weekly chart, we did just pump up decently, heading towards this golden pocket. Above all these moving averages, everything's kind of curling up, but we can clearly come back and retest this big support area here where this fib is, or just bounce off these moving averages and continue up. And then also the Dow Jones here, pretty important. It's trading into this golden pocket right now, and it actually it hit 3,400 exactly this week as a high. Yeah, this week's high is 3,400 exactly, 34,009. So like 34, like I just showed you, 43, 14th prime number, end equals 14. So this is big. And then also today, even this 44. 44 is a big death number. As kill equals 44, and then it's funny. Look at this, 44 and 17. Today's the 17th. 44 days left in the year. Wow. Okay. But 4 is a big death number in Chinese culture, I believe, and I think there's some other words associated with this 44 I can't think of right now, but you can, wow, look at that, murder 34, the 43 reversed. So I'm not saying that tomorrow's going to be death in the markets or anything, but it is definitely a day to consider for volatile moves. And you can even see quant here trading at 119. A little bit of a warning shot maybe, and the DXY here, oh yeah, this is the other 119 I saw. Basically, this golden pocket is right at $119, which is funny. Yeah, the golden pocket's at 119, and I pulled this fib from all the way back here in the 1985 top all the way to the bottom in 2008, and then now here we go. I'm gonna try to hit this golden pocket again like we did in 2001, and then we'll see what happens after that. But the dollar's looking pretty bullish here for sure. RSI over bought here, so it's gonna have to correct a little bit. Like I said, maybe down here to this $100 area, psychological level, and yeah, basically just be careful here. Stocks are still ready to go down. As you can see, the Dow is trading at 3,400 basically, and yeah, this thing is overheated for a little while here, pumping them right into the golden pocket, danger zone. S&P has some room to go up here as well. You can see we're in this channel that we're going down, and on the weekly chart we bounce off these 200s using them as support nicely, but you can see this white 55 moving average is curling down here in line with this channel that we're in. We got rejected off at once at the golden pocket, and then now we're going down here again, and you can see this level is at like 4,100 or so. How funny would it be if we came in, filled this candle right here at like 4,100, and then dumped tomorrow, and that was the end of the S&P for a little while, all the way back down to here, a 14% drop, which would be hilarious. So just watch out for that. If it hits 4,100 tomorrow, I'll probably be shorting just off of this intuitive, these signs I'm getting right now. Any pump to me is going to be a nice little fake out. ETH, I did all the analysis yesterday. It's looking stronger than Bitcoin, but it has a lot of room to fall, especially if it keeps getting stuck under these moving averages. On the smaller time frames here, like on the hourly chart, you can see a dump below these psychological areas and this 55 and everything. And now it's trying to come back up, but we'll have to see what happens with that, obviously. But basically, that's all I kind of wanted to share here. All these connections with the date tomorrow, the Skull and Bones Day. Just be careful. It could be a volatile day. Venus energy on the 18th. Lots going on. So just, be patient. I am getting ready to short things if they do pop up. Trader's Reality on YouTube always says it beautifully. The bear always stands up before he attacks, and you can see this right here. Look at this green liquidity spike up, and then boom, bear stands up, and then he attacks and goes down hard. And even here again, nice quick spike up and then down again. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Maybe Bitcoin spike up here to like 17K, 17.2, kind of fill in this candle a little bit where these wicks kind of went. You can see the scam wick, and then probably fall back down after that. But that's it for now. Take care, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, much love.